Welcome back, everybody, to another cryptocurrency news article. This one comes from the Bitcoinist, and Ethereum supply on exchanges has plunged to a new all-time lows. Now, this is some good news because it's telling me that people finally learned their lesson from FTX and see that keeping your cryptos on exchanges are very, very risky. And so, yeah, this is a bullish line for me on Ethereum. But let's go over this article and see what the percentage is for Ethereum on exchanges right now. So Ethereum supply on exchanges has continued to go down recently and has now touched a value of 10.3%, effectively a new all-time high low. Just 10.3% of the total Ethereum supply is now being kept on exchanges. According to data from the on-chain analytics firm Sentiment, the current Ethereum supply on exchanges is the lowest since the week the cryptocurrency was introduced almost 8 years ago. The supply on exchanges is an indicator that measures the percentage of the total Ethereum supply that's currently being stored in the wallets of all centralized exchanges. Now, when the value of this metric goes down, it means some coins are being taken out of these platforms right now. Such a trend, when prolonged, may prove to be bullish for the asset's price, as it can be a sign that accumulation is going on in the market. Now, on the other hand, the metric's value trending up implies investors are depositing their Ethereum to exchanges currently, as one of the main reasons why holders transfer these platforms is for selling related purposes. This kind of trend can have bearish effects on the value of the asset. So if you're seeing like the crypto move onto the platform, it's usually a bearish sign because they're probably planning to sell it. But when you hear about them taking it off the exchanges, that's a bullish sign because they're just going to hodl onto that and hold it themselves. Now here's a chart that shows the trend in Ethereum supply on exchanges over the last several years. And it's been going down significantly since, when is that? Part of the 2020. But as displayed in the above graph, the Ethereum supply on exchanges had been on a constant downward trend since the start of the bull run of the cycle and until the middle of the bear market in 2022. The indicator observed some growth during this period, suggesting that investors were depositing to these platforms then, and this may have been a sign of capitalization, as holders who bought during the bull run tend to exit out of the asset when bear markets set in. This upward trend that was building up, however, broke off around the time of the collapse of the cryptocurrency exchange FTX. The reason behind this was that after seeing what went down with FTX investors, it became more aware than ever that the risks of keeping their coins on in a central custody. So yeah, I hope you guys finally realize that. Yeah, the risks. Don't keep your coins on exchanges. This is why you want to be in control. So a large number of holders made withdrawals from such platforms to keep their Ethereum inside their own personal wallets. Because of this movement, the supply on exchanges saw a sharp plunge. Interestingly, as the rally has taken place this year, the metric still hasn't reversed its trend and has rather kept on going down normally. Deposits may be expected during periods with bullish trends, as some holders would want to realize their profits. Now, the fact that the indicator has only continued the downtrend suggests that there is enough demand for withdrawing the asset that any deposit being made are getting outweighed. Now, following the latest downward trend is an indicator that the percentage of the Ethereum supply on exchanges has dropped to just 10.3%. Sentiment believes that this shows high confidence from hodlers of this asset. Now, Ethereum's price at this time of writing Ethereum is trading around 1700, which is down 1% in the last week. And featured images are from Javon Jujudu. But yeah, so this is a good bullish sign for Ethereum right now because people are holding on to it. It's becoming more scarce. So when the time comes when there's, like, who knows, there'll be a time when like you can't even get Ethereum on exchanges anymore because no one's really keeping it on there anymore. But yeah, I am super bullish on Ethereum, and this is just good news. I can't wait to hear. Well, I hope to hear news like this is happening to Bitcoin, Litecoin, Polygon, all those good ones out there. I just hope like it's like, yep, there's not much on exchanges, so if you got it, you got it. If you don't, there's probably gonna be some premiums onto it. But yeah, definitely good news for Ethereum. But if you guys enjoyed this article, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.